Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is turned off. So I'm talking about this moment when you try to scan your fingerprint, but you just cannot. You can only make it by tapping on the power key and then using the fingerprint sensor. So to unlock your phone from the locks, from the blank screen, you have to go for the biometrics and security, go for the fingerprints, input your verification method, and we have to get this option fingerprint always on. So we can scan our fingerprint even when the screen is turned off, like that. And we can also get icon on the turned off screen. For example, we can get it tap to show and take a look how it looks right now. When we tap, we got here the icon and we can scan our fingerprint. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.